Trelawny Jamaica. Ladies and gentlemen, 2 persons are currently in custody and are named persons of interest after a headless body was found during December, and they are now in the arms of the law. Greetings, greetings, and salutations to all nations. Ladies and gentlemen, you know it's your favorite Jamaica, Rastafari Soldier. If it's your first time to the Rastaman channel, hit that red subscribe button and build up the Rastaman channel. The Trelawny police have taken 2 persons of interest into custody in connection with a headless body that was discovered in the parish in the morning of Monday, December 9th. The body was reported spotted in the pit by farmers who were on their way to the farm in a all-side community. The alarm was raised, and on the arrival of the police, the headless body was removed from the hole after a scene was processed by investigation. The police says the investigation continues surrounding the ghastly discovery. Some 24 murders were recorded in Trelawny of 2024. So Trelawny man them, I take head off. I overstand. Sometime when you bleach out and take on the face off because you feel like you are not presentable. But in Trelawny right now, the Jamaican police have them handful because bodies are being found right now with no heads. The authorities are investigating the situation. They found 2 people around the area that they think that could yield more information. The authorities are asking you to call your 119 number or to speak to your local police at the local police station there in Trelawny, because when people get quang, it's a terrible situation. But when they get quang in this way, these people are serious. You hear what I'm telling you? I've been telling you, the Jamaican government need to deal with these criminals just like how these criminals are dealing with their victims. I'm Rastafari Soldier here reporting live, ladies and gentlemen, Deeproots TV. The Trelawny police are asking for assistance in solving this case. From December 6th, they say they have 2 persons of interest in custody. And it's a gruesome situation, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Rastafari Soldier. Stay safe out there.
Tune in to Deeproots TV. Log in, subscribe, online, YouTube. Get there or be square. Jacob said that.